Hello guys, welcome to the devlog for week 8. For this week our primary focus was setting up the quests and things like that as the systems team. Um, so most of my responsibilities were in setting up the quest for all these objects and stuff. So first thing here we have the shears which we have to pick up. So when we pick the shears up, you can see that it shows a notification on the screen asking you to destroy the vines. That basically means that the quest has been triggered. So this basically the shears on pickup references the quest manager and then tells it that hey, I have this quest and now this quest needs to be started. So if I press J on the journal and go into the quests tab, we can see that we have the first quest giver is the shears, and we have the quest details here, and then the quest status says quest started. So we also have a compass which I put in, and the compass points to the direction of where we need to go. So as we start cutting these vines that have been recently added in, this last set of vines here, uh, this is the wine manager which I had made to basically reference the wines, and on cutting these wines they show the next quest objective. So now that I cut the last set of wines, the quest manager has triggered a new quest objective, which is investigate the room ahead. So now we have triggered uh, the teleporter, which now tells the quest manager that we need to move to the next step. So we now need to go and talk to Goldblum. So when we press E, we get greeted by these dialogues. I'm just going to skip through them. And now that triggers the next quest step, which is basically starting a combat scenario. So now we attack and kill these enemies. And now killing those enemies basically tells the enemy manager that spawned them that we have killed them, so that triggers the next quest objective, which tells us to go back to the lobby, and that triggers the next objective as well. So using this method, we're able to basically update the quest objectives. So we also added the ability for the enemy manager to block off combat sections through these walls, so walls just raise up, and you can see that here as well. So as I step in, and there you go, the walls come down as well. There is a bug that you can stand on the walls, which needs to be fixed, but as long as players don't do that, it's not a high priority bug at the moment. We also have this baobab tree as an NPC which we can talk to, but unfortunately at the moment it's bugged, so I'm not really sure why that's happening. So, and that needs to be figured out as well. Anyway, so yeah, our objectives were to essentially hook up the quests to the game, and we've done that. And now if I check the journal as well, we can see that the quest has been finished, And the compass, when it has no quest, no active quest, it just, we can see that it just does random uh, rotations and jitters. So yeah, that's my week 8 devlog. Thank you for watching.